Alright YouTube, so we're doing some testing today on both Rs4s. This one, it has the 18SS, that's a big block one. So I dropped the gearing down. I was at a 41, 45 the last time you seen it out, period. Now I dropped down to a 37, 41. I had to mod the chassis again. So I gotta test it to make sure that that motor don't move and I don't strip those gears. And then this one, I put the gears I was on here, on there. So I was at a 47, 43. Now I'm at a 45, 41. So we're gonna see how this one does. I got the GNSS, so we're gonna speed test them and then probably get a few hits in and see how they do. So let me go ahead and get them cranked up and stay tuned. I had to make sure it got brake. So now my struggle is because I moved the engine over closer, I am closer to the brake. So when I engage the brake, it might put pressure on the flywheel. So we'll see. Alright, let's get the tablet. Do a quick flyby. Alright, YouTube, we back. We're gonna track it. Start. It's reading. Get a couple flybys, then I'm gonna test the speed. I'm not gonna test it right away. I need more room now. Definitely gonna need more room. I don't see myself flooring it. As you hear, it didn't peak out. Let's see what it did. Stop it. Read 50. Benji. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit 55. I'm gonna try. Shout out to my man, High Velocity. High Velocity. What's up, my brother? Track, start. You know what? I'm about to put the body on. I'm gonna have to come back. I'd rather the body on. That's probably why I'm not feeling so safe. Let me just put the body on, y'all. I'll be right back. We'll start the GPS over again. Alright, YouTube, we back. Let's do it. Let's stop it. Now we're gonna start it. Track, start. It's reading. A little easy on the brake. I'm definitely I'm not gonna be able to hit high speed in here. Definitely got giddy up now. She need to be retuned. Now that thing is moving in the big end. I'm not holding it. I'm not Sammy. Sammy come around these corners flying. I ain't. Nah. Let's see what it did. Stop. Read. 50. 50. Beat that 50. Get 2 more passes, then I'm gonna bring it in to check the screws, make sure the motor's tight. See, it's still building, and I gotta get off of it. Some drag hits real quick. See what it does now. Oh, let me check, make sure that motor ain't loose. I don't want to strip no gears. Drag 132. Some work to do. At 44. It was breaking up, but I think it's running out of gas. Yeah, let me fill it up. I'll fill it up and then we'll mess with it. Alright, y'all, she juiced up, ready to go. See what it do. Now we talking. top at? Trying to get it just right. See what it did. 2.843. Started bogging in that big end. Seven. Let's go. I gotta tighten up the shift point. Definitely need to tighten up that shift point. Let's see if we can beat that 2.7. I tighten that bolt, the second gear up. Any tighter, it don't shift. So I have to work with what I got until I get that spring. Try it again. scared the shit out of me, Sammy. You scared the shit out of me. I'm like, what though?
Nothing. For a 10 scale.
What's the name of it?
It's the MUGEN MTX.
Damn. That's like rare to find too. That sucker's light.
The reason I bought it is because they're still making the MTX. They're on the MTX 7 now. So
okay.
I could throw 7 parts on it.
Okay, okay.
That's the only reason why I grabbed it.
That is badass. All carbon fiber too.
Yeah. Look at the body. Looks like a Stratus.
Oh, it's got a 60 tooth on there. You know the internal gears is mean on. Oh.
Yeah, I got a. Hopefully it can fit them. I got a 49 for first coming, and 44 for second, and Syntex clutch too on it.
Oh yeah, you ain't messing around. I see.
Syntex, baby. Look at the Stratus body. I like it.
Yeah, that's sick.
I ripped the servos out of that Savage last week.
He's like, I'm gonna put this sucker together. That's a 2501.
Big block pipe on it, dude.
Yeah.
I'm hoping I can get rid of that fucking. Look how high I had to go.
Yeah.
Look at the bend on that thing I had to do. 'Cause I couldn't turn.
Oh shit.
I don't know if I gotta fuck with head shimming, but or maybe this just ain't the motor for 132 feet, man. Because it feels every like 9 port I got, higher the ports is like it's kind of like a dog. It's meant to.
Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep it clean.
Because when you hit that mid to high on the higher port engines, forget it, man. It rips. But from a dig, that might just not be the engine for me.
Benji showed me a picture last night. He put I think he's putting a new muffler, but he drilled out the hole in the thing. That shit was bad.
I told him to do that. Like, yo, that makes a